Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. The automotive world continues to evolve, but few brands evoke the timeless allure of Aston Martin. For 2025, the iconic British marque has set its sights on redefining the luxury SUV segment with the new Aston Martin DBX 707. Known for its sophisticated style and blistering performance, the DBX 707 is a statement of power, elegance, and cutting-edge technology. Here's everything you need to know about this thrilling SUV. Performance. Astonishing power and precision. At the heart of the 2025 DBX 707 is a monstrous 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8, pushing out an astounding 707 horsepower, hence the name, and 900 Nm of torque. This engine propels the SUV from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.1 seconds, making it the most powerful luxury SUV currently on the market. Aston Martin has paired the engine with a 9-speed wet clutch automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive shifts that maximize performance. But the DBX 707 is more than just a straight-line monster. Thanks to adaptive air suspension, enhanced active anti-roll systems, and carbon ceramic brakes, this SUV delivers sports car-like handling without sacrificing ride comfort. Whether you're navigating tight mountain roads or cruising down the highway, the DBX 707 ensures a driving experience that's both thrilling and composed. Driving dynamics. The ultimate blend of power and comfort. The 2025 DBX 707 isn't just about raw power, it's about delivering an unparalleled driving experience. With multiple drive modes including GT, Sport, Sport Plus, and Individual, drivers can tailor the SUV's performance characteristics to their liking. In GT mode, the DBX 707 is a refined cruiser, offering a smooth and comfortable ride. Switch to Sport Plus mode, and the throttle sharpens, the exhaust note deepens, and the suspension stiffens for a more dynamic driving experience. Aston Martin's engineers have also fine-tuned the all-wheel drive system, which now features an electronically controlled limited-slip rear differential. This ensures optimal traction in all conditions, from wet roads to gravel paths, making the DBX 707 both versatile and capable. Price and availability. A luxury investment. With all this performance and luxury, the 2025 Aston Martin DBX 707 doesn't come cheap. The starting price is expected to be around $240,000, placing it in the upper echelon of luxury SUVs. However, given its combination of jaw-dropping performance, exquisite design, and cutting-edge technology, many enthusiasts will argue it's worth every penny. A masterpiece in the SUV world. The 2025 Aston Martin DBX 707 is not just an SUV, it's a statement. It embodies the perfect balance between luxurious comfort and world-class performance, setting a new standard in the segment. Whether you're a performance enthusiast, a luxury connoisseur, or simply someone looking for an unparalleled driving experience, the DBX 707 promises to deliver on all fronts. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Ride safe and see you in the road.